everybody, this is Simibella again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a collective haul of many things that I've really liked in the past 2 months or so. Some of these things are from Sarojini Nagar, but I could not include them in my previous haul because I have given them for washing. So I'm including them today. So let's start with Sarojini Nagar itself because it will be like a continuation from the previous vlog if you have watched it. If you haven't, I'll put an eye link here and go and watch it. The first thing that I got from Sarojini is a beautiful floral dress. It's a midi dress and it has quarter length sleeves, so 3/4. And I love it. It has a buttonhole in the back. You can see it here, a small buttonhole in the front, and it has beautiful florals, orange and pink florals on a base of green. So, plus it has a lacy end to it, like the bottom you have a lace attachment to it, so it makes it even more cute. It's from the brand Max. This dress I got it from Sarojini for 150 rupees, which was quite a bargain, and I'm loving it. The next thing that I got is a sweater. This was only for 100 rupees and it's such a good quality. It's quite new and it has a pattern in the front, the overlapping kind of a pattern in the front. You will get full sleeves with it, and on the sleeves you have a very cute button design. So you have 4 buttons on the sleeves and I really liked it. It's a beautiful wine colored sweater and it fits me quite well. So I got this for only 100 rupees. The next thing that I got from Sarojini is another sweater top kind of a thing. So this is a simple black top, but look at the back. It has a very beautiful lace design in the back. You'll get a very cute knot here on the back. The back is made of lace so that it's see-through. You'll have to wear it inner most probably, but it's a beautiful sweatery top. At first I thought this was on the front part, but I later on realized that this is on the back and the simple one is the front part of it. So it looks very nice when you wear it. It was 400 rupees and I don't remember the place from where I got it because I got it quite a long time back. So the next sweater is a multicolored sweater. I generally don't buy very bright multicolored top or sweater, but I loved this, and this was only for 50 rupees, so I thought why not buy it and wear it at home. So I got this one. This is an orange, pink and black multicolored very lightweight sweater. The sleeves are black. You have an orange block pattern on the front and a pink one. The back side is also pink, and for 50 rupees I'm not complaining. I've already washed it and I'm looking forward to wearing it at home. The next top that I got from Sarojini is this, and I absolutely love it because I've worn this so many times and this is one of my favorite right now. It's a black colored top with floral, white and green floral patterns on it. Long sleeves again, an absolute favorite. I love long sleeves. And the best part of it is it has this very sexy neckline here. So when you wear it, so you have this V-shaped open part. Yeah, this was for 150 rupees I think, and I got it from that big people tree area. The other thing from Sarojini Nagar market that I got are these cushion covers. This one has a very nice pattern to it. The other one is a simple red colored cushion cover without any patterns. I loved both of them, so I got both for my cushions. Both of these were for 70 rupees each. So this was for 70, this was for 70, and I think they were quite cheap. These are very nice, pure cottony material, and therefore I got it. I can use it even in summers when it's like really hot in Delhi. The next 2 things that I got from Sarojini are these tats. These were for 399 rupees and I got it from Sarojini Nagar, one particular shop. I'll leave the name of the shop and the shop number in the description box down below. I loved it and these are so comfortable to wear. I got it only because of the comfort factor. I have already used it 2-3 times. It's not the best quality one because I can already see some scratches here and there and discoloration, but because the price range is very reasonable, I'm not complaining. It has the same copper thing here, the straps, and then a strap here. You'll find the same copper golden touch in the wiring done here. It has a very good sole, very good grip. They had it in very different sizes and colors, but I wanted the coppery one and therefore I got this. The last thing that I got from Sarojini is this very cute top. I got this top from Big C and it was for around 599 or 699. I don't remember. It is so cute. It has a very beautiful pearl design here in the front. I loved it. It's so like sophisticated kind of a top. On the shoulder you have this pleated shoulder, and the arms is so cute because you have a thread embroidery design running all over it. So it's there. The small detailings in it makes it a very special top. Of course, the color is a lovely color, and you can see that the one that I'm wearing is also of the same color family. Over with Sarojini Nagar, now I'll move on to Jabong. I got only one top from Jabong and I absolutely love it. I've been wearing it so many times. I've already posted a picture of this, and I've also done a video with this, with me wearing this. So this is a sheer top with full sleeves and pleated design on the sleeve. The pleated design is also here, and you have a beautiful tie design in the front, so you can just keep it open or you can make a beautiful bow out here. I like to make a bow, small one, and yeah, I got this only because I really loved the color. This particular green, I don't get it quite often, and when I do, I make sure that I get it. I'll leave the link from Jabong in the description box. You can check that out. So I got this one for around 550 rupees, and it's totally worth the price. The next two things that I got are from Janpat, and these are t-shirts, and I love the t-shirts, both the t-shirts. This is a Minion t-shirt, and the other one is a quotation t-shirt which says Sab Moh Maya Hai. This one is so cute, look at it, and it's a very good quality one. It's not the shabby quality t-shirts. Nice color, the embossed part is also very nice. Similarly, this one is also very philosophical, so if I can call it that, therefore I got it. Both of them go for 200 rupees each. The next two things that I got are again cushion covers. So I really like these cushion covers. You'll get it outside in the Janpat area. A lot of them will be outside on the streets. So another one is this. These are so beautiful. I mean, the work is done very nicely, and therefore I got it. This one is red in color and the other one was green. Got these for 100 rupees each, and you'll get many other designs as well. The last two things that I want to show you are accessories, and let me show you the earring first. I got this from Shoppers Stop and it was for 299 rupees, so 300, and I really loved it. It was from the brand Tribal Zone from Shoppers Stop. So this is how they look like. You have a hook and then you have a circular thing with two beads here, and then these very beautiful metal-y dangling thing. If you are under very good light, it gives a very nice shimmery effect. Yeah. If you have a very boring outfit, you can pair it off a black dress or a black outfit with this, and it will give you the pop of color that you need, the golden touch. The last one is this particular bracelet, and I love it so much. It has a very nice jingle to it, and I got this from Spoil. This is the bracelet. It's so cute. Look at it. It's so rustic, and the sound makes it extra nice. So I got this for 150 rupees. I'll leave the name of that particular seller if you want. So this is how it looks like. If you wear the right kind of outfit and you want to make it a little boho and Indo-Western thing, then you can wear this and it will immediately jazz up your outfit. I love it. So these are all the things that I got from various markets in Delhi in the past 2-3 months, which I really wanted to show you guys. I hope you like the video. If you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and interesting videos. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.